The 40 luxury cars in her garage she flaunted in a well-documented lifestyle TV interview late last year were nowhere to be found when Bureau of Customs came knocking on their family residence door this morning. Proof of a panicking state of mind, fearful of a potential seizure of her prized autos if proof of taxes or customs duties could not be produced, as we hear more from our JM Pineda.
Armed with a search warrant, the Bureau of Customs or BOC entered the compound of St. Gerard Construction this morning to inspect its luxury vehicles. But instead of the Diskaya couple, only their staff faced the agency. Security at the area was tight, with even members of the media restricted from entering the compound. According to BOC Commissioner Ariel Nepomuceno, 12 luxury vehicles were listed in the search warrant as the agency's target. However, upon entry, they only found 2 vehicles along with another luxury car that was not listed in the warrant. These vehicles will undergo investigation and their documents will be scrutinized to determine if the correct taxes were paid by the Diskaya family.
Subalit, pag kulang yaan o kung may diferensya sa papel, magkakaroon po ng problema ang pamilya, at kung mapapakita naman lang na talagang sila ay buyers in good faith, meaning binili lang nila ito sa isang dealer or ahente, doon naman kami pupunta upang doon namin kuhanin ang mga tamang dokumento na dapat magpapatunay tama ang kanilang pinagbayaran sa ating gobyerno.
As of now, the BOC only has complete information on 12 luxury cars, which is why only those were included in the warrant. But they confirmed that they will continue gathering information to include the remaining vehicles for inspection. This means there will be follow-up inspection of the Diskaya family's other luxury cars.
Ngayon, meron din kami mga ibang impormasyon at maganda na may mga nagsusumbong na rin naman. Kaya lang hindi sapat yung impormasyon na yun for the purpose of securing a search warrant. Kasi mahigpit din po ang judge, si Judge Carolina. No? So, doon sa social media, iniisa-isa namin yun. May mga VIN numbers na kami, yung iba may mga plate numbers. Subalit hindi yan kompleto.
The agency is also determining whether the Diskaya family is hiding more luxury vehicles beyond the 28 they earlier declared. At the same time, the BOC has alerted the Highway Patrol Group or HPG to prevent any attempt to smuggle out the vehicles. They have also coordinated with the Philippine Coast Guard or PCG, which will guard all entrances of the St. Gerard compound to ensure no cars are moved out. The Diskaya were given until tomorrow to present the other luxury cars and submit their documents for inspection.
Ine-encourage ko ang pamilya ng Diskaya na voluntarily i-surrender na nila yan sa Bureau of Customs, upang makita po natin. Kung wala naman sila tinatago, sang-ayon sa kanila, binili naman nila ito ng tama, huwag sila mangamba. Very professional ngayon ang Bureau of Customs. Pag nakita naman natin tama yan, i-report din natin na tamang pinagbayaran.
The agency assured that if there are any irregularities in the documents, especially in tax payments, the owner will be held accountable and cannot escape the law.
Ngayon, huwag tayong mangamba dahil mahuhuli naman po natin saan man po yan itinatago. Kung itinatago man, kaya lang naniniwala naman ako na yan ay makikita natin.
If the vehicles are found without proper documentation, the government will confiscate them. JM Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.